section. My name is Jeffudin from Student Doctoral Program of Science Education Universitas Negeri Semarang. The section I want to explain about my project, my aim of analyze of STEM-based project-based learning model on basic material referring to the independent curriculum. This is my project from part of my dissertation. The background, my research for background, number one, regulation of the Minister of Education and Culture include aspect of understanding concept and scientific process skill. Understanding concept and scientific process skill is a output the independent curriculum in Indonesia. Number two, the most of the teacher who applied physics learning had not used the STEM-based project-based learning model and still experience many obstacles in developing learning scenario. Thus, the outcome of learning physics were still low. And next, about the background, the result of literature study using publish or Paris, it illustrated that the trend of basic publication from 2017 until 2022 is dominated by project-based learning and STEM learning at the high school level. And finish the background, STEM-based project-based learning model that can develop the aspect of scientific skill and product of the student learning. Okay, the next about of the purpose my research. Number one, analyze of the STEM-based project-based learning model on basic material based on the independent curriculum and output of the analysis of STEM-based project-based learning, scientific skill and product of the student learning. Okay, the next about method my research. This study use a descriptive qualitative approach. To section number one, the research was conducted in 6 senior high school in Semarang from July until August 2022 include senior high school 1 Semarang, 3, 5, 7, and 12, and senior high school Tengku Umar Semarang. The next about the data source of this research include interview from basic teachers, observation sheets, document study, and literature study from published or Paris from Scopus subject. So about qualitative data analysis. The figure 1, qualitative data analysis according to Miles and Haberman from Maleong 2018. The data collection process use the data triangulation technique, namely the technique of the checking the validity of the data using cross-check and professional judgment. The number one, the data collection. Number two, the data reduction and the display data. So we can verification all conclusion. Next, about result and discussion about my research. Number one, learning model commonly used in senior high school basic learning. The four result, number one, teacher prefer things that are not complicated in the learning process. The next, teacher are less skilled in understanding various kind of learning model and approach. And three, STEM-based project-based learning model learning require time and thorough preparation in classroom learning. And four, teacher only really on knowledge assessment of those aspects of student skill and attitude are hardly assessed authentically. And finish, my result about teachers only focus on monodiscipline learning. Okay, the result of the research of development mapping was analyzed using Force Viewer application with the aim finding trend and scientific publication using the Scopus database in 2017 until 2022 interval. Focus of the data mapping was project-based learning and STEM physics learning based on the keywords. Okay, the next about Mapping of the STEM-based project-based learning research trend in development in basic learning. The figure 3 STEM-based project-based learning in basic learning. 3 show that 3 were 8 cluster with a total 34 research item, relationship about STEM, project, engineering, implementation, etc. And finish about my result, the mapping of the STEM-based project-based learning research trend in development in basic learning. Figure 4 show about cluster in basic learning. The relationship between cluster 3 wise consists of 5 items with the focus of the item. Wise with basic include the related research network had a total 15 path line. The trajectory in bold print show the relationship of research that had been carried out quite a lot, include project, technology, skill, science, and engineering. The rest were thin line and small circle, why so weak relationship with physics learning. So conclusion about my research, number one, there is a need for a basic teacher training model in implementing the independent curriculum in the development of project-based activities. And the finish, my conclusion about it is necessary to provide a guide or manual for the application of online and offline STEM-based project-based learning model that can develop aspect of scientific skill and product of the student learning. So, uh, my name is Saifuddin from Student Doctoral Program. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.